update to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Luna. Let us quickly hear what happened today, because CPI figures were announced. So watch this. I read for it. Nevertheless, April's annual CPI figure ultimately clocked in at just 8.3%, down from March's 8.5%. So that means in March we saw 8.5%, and right now we saw even a decrease in the inflation rate of 0.2%, so less compared to March, so in April. This is also the reason why we saw on the 4-hourly here, we saw first this dump and then we saw this pump. Wait a minute, it's loading right now. It's not the best internet here, even though I am here right in, I show you here, I am right in Berlin, but okay, let me check here. Okay, you see, this was the reason also for this dump and then this pump, right? Because the inflation rate is less than the month before. But guys, wait a minute, please be very careful here, because what I wanted a small education about the inflation number, because this 8.3% or 8.5%, this is not the real inflation rate. The real inflation rate is even double, because they not consider all the data in this inflation numbers, because if they will announce 15 or 16%, people go crazy. So this is one of the reasons. Please Google, then you know what I mean. And here you see also, I can show you, wait a minute, where is it? Here was it written. Here they said all items index less food and energy increased by 0.6 in April versus just 0.3 in March. So there are, just Google it, then you will know, because I don't want too much speak about it. But yeah, let us watch on the technically we reached nearly our price target of 28,700 was our price target. We going down to 29,000, guys, but to be honest, I still expecting that we will further going down, because for me this one, and this right now conspiracy theory, I think they make a pump to liquidate then all the longs, you know, because the people are getting so much excited longing, and then they will liquidate all the people. This is a conspiracy theory, this is not technical analysis. So let's go to technical analysis. We're retesting right now the 4-hourly EMA ribbon, and right now for us is interesting to watch. So it's still valid. If we break 30,600, we can short again right down to 28,700. This is my first price target, still 28,700. This would mean approximately right now around 6.3%, 10x average 60%, 5x 30%. And obviously, if we're breaking right now above 4-hourly EMA ribbon, then we can still long to 37,700. Then we can long also Ethereum and all the other altcoins, right? So this is still valid. Let me quickly watch on the RSI, and RSI is still heavily, not heavily, it's still oversold. It's not heavily oversold. I mean, we see still a heavily bearish divergence. The RSI is going down while the price going down, while the RSI here is going up. So this is a huge bearish divergence, right, which we see here. So please be very careful. We could see small pump, but this bearish divergence on the 4-hourly, this huge bearish divergence, showing us that we see at least a consolidation, or what I think more, we see a dump. Technically, this only technically, please do your own research, guys. So if we are watching on the 1-hourly, let me quickly also watch on the 1-hourly, is getting neutral right now, so there's not a clear decision in the market. Also, we tried to break above the 1-hourly EMA ribbon, but right now we failed. Still 60 minutes to go, and very interesting, will we break above or not? Also on the 4-hourly, this is what I'm watching for. To be clear again, guys, if we break 30,600, I will short down. If we break above 4-hourly EMA ribbon, I will long Bitcoin. This is my my strategy. Please do your own research, what you think and how you will do it. It's your money, your responsibility. Like I said, guys, the probability even with this news is more likely that we are breaking down, that we are breaking right now up, because we see here we see here a clear downtrend, and also for me it's very significant that we broke here this 29-30,000 I mean this 30,000 level with a clear candle down, even though it got bought up. But for me this is a very clear sign that we are going further down, even though when we see right now a small pump. I'm expecting still that we are further going down to 28,700 is my first price target, and the second price target would be so 28,700 in a second. Let me quickly again watch. So yes, 28,700 was the first, and the second would be obviously 28,000 because of because it's psychology border, right? And then there was, which I told you, yes, in the video, 26,100 and 28,200. So 28,700, 28,200, and then the next would be 26,100, because you see here a huge support on the weekly we see. So this is my price targets, guys, for a short opportunity. Long opportunity, I told you, if we break above, then we can also long all the other altcoins. If we break below 30,600, we can short down. So let me quickly also watch in the S&P 500. This is very important to watch here. We see a pump. We see S&P 500 pumping again, and this is also the reason for the pump in crypto, right? However, I don't trust this, because I think this is only what we see here. Maybe we see further pump because we heavily oversold here, but we broke down major supports, and I think when we will broke below 4,000, we will see another huge dump of Bitcoin, stocks, and altcoins. This is what I personally expecting and what I'm watching out for it, guys. By the way, I forgot. To all our new community members, Bybit offering us, our community member right now, 4,620 for free after a certain amount of initial deposit. It takes you 1 minute to registration, and on Bybit you get 30 days zero maker fee. Bybit never get hacked before, so it's in my opinion, this way I'm also trading. It's very trustful, and this is also my affiliate link, so it's a win-win situation. Link is down below, costs you 1 minute registration, guys. Let me quickly watch Ethereum. Ethereum still also the same. We see here a small pump. I expecting, like I told you, that we see Ethereum the next price target 2050 approximately. This is our next support line, because we see here a lot of support and resistance around 2050, 2040. So this is a short opportunity if Bitcoin drops right now of 10%. So it's 10x 100%. 5x 50%. If Bitcoin will break to the upside above 4 hourly EMA ribbon, this is a nice long opportunity to 2,500. Take profits before, so at least 8%, 10x 80%, 5x 40%. Watch out what Bitcoin will do, and let us quickly watch on Luna. Luna is complete destroyed, shitted every people in the face, man. I mean, they have also they you know what, they shitted not only people straight into the ears and into the eyebrows who are invested in, also all this big ecosystem which are built around. Man, you see, it's very risky. Crypto is very risky, especially altcoins are very risky, guys. Therefore I say, please do your own research. I mean, I lost money but luckily I sold at $80. I sold and lost $10,000, but it could be even more. A friend of mine lost even over $500,000, and there are people who lost all their savings. But if you lose all your savings in Luna, guys, it's your own fault, because never ever go with all your money in one coin. This is stupid. This is your own fault. I have to be honest and hard here, guys. Therefore I say, do your own research, guys, because imagine I would be like, oh, I'm investing everything in Luna and you just following me blind, and then this happens. Then I am fucked and you are fucked. You understand what I mean? I mean, I am Slavic and never would happen this to Slavic, but guys, please be very careful with it. Do your own research every time. So but you can do on Bybit 4,620 after initial deposit. Make this registration. This is risk free because you don't have to pay here anything, and you get a bonus after initial deposit and 30 days zero maker fee. Link is down below. So Luna is, I wouldn't invest anything right now in Luna. There are some people who will invest in Luna, but I wouldn't do this, guys. I wouldn't do this. I mean, oh, this is too risky. This is, in my opinion, this is too risky. Yes, at $1, wow. If somebody bought at $1, it's 100%. Then it's, wow, it's 100% up. But for me, in my opinion, this is too risky. But guys, do your own research, and yeah. So let us watch Bitcoin. Bitcoin is yeah, Bitcoin. I told you everything. Yeah, everything is clear, guys. If we break 30,600, we can short Bitcoin. I was just dreaming. I thought I don't record the video. If we break 30,600, we can short again down to 28,700. If we break above 4 only, we can long. Link down below on Bybit. Guys, tell me what you did here. Are you shorted when we broke below 30,600? It was very fast because of the CPI or because of the Fed. Every month, the first Wednesday, I think it's the first Wednesday, watch out the Fed news, because every month they publishing the inflation numbers, and this is every time a good opportunity for shorting or longing if you can anticipate if they will announce a positive or a negative feedback. So it immediately you see in the crypto and in the stock market, guys. This is what I'm doing. Tell me, you are shorting, longing any coin right now? Bitcoin, Ethereum. Are you shorted, longed Luna? What you did? And or you standing on the sidelines, guys? Link down below. Don't forget. And yeah, like I said, if you break 30,600, I will short Bitcoin. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.